The defense world is dramatically revolutionizing and shifting towards technology-enabled powerful weapons. Do technology and war equipment really go hand in hand? They go very well together and will soon blast up with their superpowers. Every nation now is on the radar to switch to better alternatives by advancing their equipment. One of the best multifunction types of equipment nations will have is advanced combat drones. With insane technology and superpowers without human interference, speedy movements, hilarious attacks, and most importantly surveillance will all be possible with a single combat drone. So what is so extraordinary about these drones? And which are the most powerful and advanced drones available in different nations? Let's take a deeper dive to know some of the most advanced combat drones owned by several nations. Number 7. Predator Sea Avenger. General Atomics Aeronautical System designed one of the best developmental unmanned combat air vehicles named General Atomics MQ-20 Avenger, especially for the US military. The first flight for this developmental drone was on the 4th of April 2009, and this drone is a bit different from its predecessors MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper. What is the core difference? A much advanced version powered by a turbofan engine, and its design is also updated with a few changes like the addition of internal weapons storage and an S-shaped exhaust which will reduce infrared and radar signatures. Though in some areas it is the same as the MQ-1 and MQ-9, it will be using the same ground support infrastructure that includes utilizing ground control stations and existing communication networks. What is the capacity of the advanced drone? Predator Sea Avenger has a total capacity of 2,948 kilograms and is capable of carrying Hellfire missiles, guided bomb units, laser-guided bombs, and several other types of bombs. The featurization provided for this combat drone is insane. It can amazingly read at 50,000 feet altitude, has a mind-blowing maximum speed of 740 km per hour, and has potential endurance of 20 hours. Number 6. TIE Anchor. The next advanced unmanned aerial vehicle we will take a look at is operational with the Turkish Air Force, widely named TIE Anchor. It's almost 4 years now that Turkish Aerospace Industries has handed over the powerful combat drone to the Turkish Air Force. This Turkish drone has been equipped with identification of friend or foe systems, an air-launched missile launcher, laser finder, and many such crazy systems that make it the best and most advanced unmanned aerial asset for Turkey. Apart from its technical advancements, Turkey has innovatively powered the drone with a 150 horsepower turboprop engine, which has incredible results. The combat drone is even more advanced and capable than the first one we saw. TIE Anchor is potential enough to carry up to 1,600 kilograms and can fly to high altitudes of 30,000 feet, which is crazy. Additionally, and most importantly, TIE Anchor has an endurance of more than a day. So with this powerful TIE Anchor, Turkey is all ready to blast up in case any such situation arises in the future. Number 5. MQ-1C Grey Eagle. Again, this potential unmanned asset is of US Army Aviation, which is innovatively designed by General Atomics Aeronautical System. It is designed in such a manner that the total payload for the combat drone is 448 kilograms, of which 261 kilograms are for fuel and the rest is 227 kilograms for external payload. What do these external payloads include? This US super powerful combat drone carries 4 different versions of Hellfire missiles, varied advanced sensors like communication relay sensors and EO and IR sensors. Grey Eagle is perfect in payload capacities, but it is also speedy, with a speed of around 309 km per hour, which is insane. Even the UAV has a maximum permitted altitude of 29,000 feet, and the best thing about this drone is its endurance. It already provides 25 hours of endurance and can also be extended to almost 40 hours, which is probably one of the drones with the highest endurance. Before diving deeper to know everything about some of the sensational advanced combat drones, make sure you subscribe to our channel to know more about the incredible drones and defense equipment that will revolutionize the defense system. Number 4. CH-5. Oops, we were mistaken. How can we forget China is also on the radar to design the best unmanned armed vehicle? Yes, CH-5 UAV by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation is just similar to the MQ-9 UAV by the US, but really a thriller one. This combat drone by China is commonly known as Rainbow UAV, but why? Possibly because it has all the best and most advanced features inbuilt into it. This CH-5 UAV is designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, patrolling, and most importantly target positioning. What is unique and extraordinary features of this Rainbow combat drone? It is its maximum takeoff and payload capacities, which are somewhere around 3,300 kilograms and 1,200 kilograms respectively. This is the exceptional and phenomenal quality of the Rainbow drone by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation. Even this CH-5 UAV is exceptional in its technical aspects. It is equipped and powered by a 330 horsepower single engine, which offers a reasonable speed of 118 km per hour and a maximum endurance of 60 hours. Wow, now this seems like a wild card for China with stunning endurance. Number 3, MQ-9B Sky Guardian. Now this one is the rapid one with incredible payload capacity. The MQ-9B Sky Guardian, which is planned to be enforced by 2020, was developed and designed by GAASI and following the NATO STANAG 4671 UAV system. This agile Sky Guardian RPA is specifically designed for UK defence, which is widely known for its Detect and Avoid or DAA system. Another attractive feature of this UAV is its insane payload capacity of 1,814 kilograms. And because this MQ-9B drone can carry heavy and powerful defense equipment like 500-pound GBU-12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and many more. Following Predator Avenger, we have the next Sky Guardian on the list, which is capable to fly at an enormous 40,000 feet altitude at a maximum speed of 482 km per hour. However, it has quite low endurance or airborne only 40 hours, which is comparatively low to other advanced drones in several other nations. But overall, this advanced and agile drone is the best addition to UK defence. Number 2, MQ-5B Hunter. It's been almost decades now that the multi-mission unmanned aircraft tagged MQ-5B Hunter is operational with the US Armed Forces. Were the rules for the US defense so strong even before 2 decades? Interestingly, yes. And this MQ-5B has even adhered to all the standards of the US Department of Defense. That's great, isn't it? This 2 decades old Hunter is so powerful that it is capable of carrying a total payload of 226.8 kilograms and can carry multi-sensors like electro-optical or infrared and many others. Do you know what's the interesting fact about this Hunter? It is called a US multi-purpose UAV developed by Northrop Grumman. What about the speed and flying capacity? It will be much less because of its older existence. But here the fact is pretty good and fascinating. Even if it was designed a few years back, the speed and other aspects are not at all compromised. It has a reasonable speed of 120 km per hour and can fly to a maximum altitude of 18,000 feet above sea level. Last but not least, it has an endurance of a maximum of 30 hours. And hence, with all of these incredible aspects, MQ-5B Hunter is one of the most advanced combat drone lists. Number 1, Yabon United 40. Next is one of the smartest design drones of all we just saw. This Yabon United 40 drone is designed and developed by UAE-based manufacturer Adcom System. There is nothing much extraordinary about this drone, but a single addition to the design that has made it a smart drone. What is that addition? Under the wings of the combat drone, there are 4 pods installed that can carry an extra ammunition weighing up to 400 kilograms. This means from those advanced drones we just looked in, this Yabon United will have extra payload capacity. And yes, this drone also has a provision for extra filament near the belly for storing extra fuel in it. Apart from this, all of the features are pretty similar. It is powered by a hybrid turbine electric propulsion system and can carry camera platforms for surveillance, some sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and sonar. This aircraft is constructed in such a manner that it can reach a maximum speed of 220 km per hour and has an endurance of a whopping 120 hours. Damn, this is crazy and exceptional. With just a few of the incredible additions, Algerian forces have the sensational and commendable unmanned vehicle. Agree or not? What are your thoughts on these amazing unmanned aerial vehicles? Will they be successfully revolutionizing the world of defense? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That said, we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. We'll see you in the next video.